You will be amazed by this 2021 Nissan Armada. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get into this upscale Armada and let the adventure begin. From its spacious cabin that seats 8 in refined comfort, to its standard driver assist safety tech, to its massive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive, this commanding SUV gives you the confidence to take on whatever the journey has in store. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.